Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game, crashing, not loading, black screen, lagging, freezing, not launching error on Xbox. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen first. Now press menu button on controller, then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to clear persistent storage. This will help you to clear the cache data. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray. Select persistent storage and choose clear persistent storage. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check internet connection. Open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, then test network connection. Wait for some time to complete it and then check if everything is working fine. Next solution is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next solution is to check for Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles update. So you should ensure the game is updated and not running on outdated version. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and after updating it, check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to clear cache of Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles. For that, press Xbox guide, then click on My Games and Apps and tap on See All. Here search for the Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles, then press menu, then select Manage Game and Add-ons, then tap on Save Data, then click on Reserved Space. Finally tap on Clear Reserved Space. Next solution is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on Settings under Profile and System. Next, go to Account, then click on Remove Accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select Remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next method is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First, open Settings on your Xbox, then select System and then select Updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin the process. Next solution is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to Profile and System, then click on Settings, then click on System, then click on Storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or game to create space. Next solution is to reinstall Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to My Games and Apps, then select See All option. Here select Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles game, then press menu button, then select Uninstall. After the game is removed, open Final Fantasy Tactics, the Ivalice Chronicles official website and download the game, and after that try to launch it and see if it resolves. If not, the final method is to contact support. When nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Just go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can also raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end. So these are few suggested solutions to fix the issue you are coming across while playing the game on Xbox. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.